everybody, Brian Horvath here with BrianHorvath.com and the creator of the Ultimate LinkedIn Profile Digital Course. I don't know about you, but sometimes it gets really frustrating to see a lot of LinkedIn content be centered around politics. And I know there's a lot of things going on in the world. I get it. But maybe you're like me and don't want to see all of that nonsense, or what can be nonsense, when people start to rant and it becomes overdone, right? And overblown. I want to help you stay focused on your business at hand, your career at hand, maybe your company, or whatever the case may be. I want to help you have the ultimate LinkedIn profile without all that noise. And so let's talk about today's 2-minute LinkedIn hot tip. In this hot tip, I want to share with you how to be able to get rid of, as Kenan Thompson here says, your rant, though amusing, contain no answers. Let's get rid of the political rants if we can, and LinkedIn is going to help us do that. Why? Because they created an opportunity for us to be able to choose for ourselves whether we want to be fed into our LinkedIn feed this political content or these kinds of rants. I'm going to show you how to turn that off in your feed if you stick with me here on this LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip. So go ahead and log into your LinkedIn profile and click on the top where it says Me. Click Me down below, or click Me, and then down below you'll see Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and click Settings and Privacy. On the left-hand side, you'll see under Account Preference, we have a little click you can make called Site Preferences. Go ahead and select that menu option. Then down below, you'll see Feed Preferences, and here's where you can customize your feed. In this case, do you want to see political content in your feed? I selected No. You can go ahead and toggle on Yes. You can toggle back to No. Either way, however you choose, it's going to be saved instantly. You can also learn more about how LinkedIn defines political content right here and discover even sources to follow that may just give you, even based, kind of news that's not left, not right, but straightforward and that kind of thing. I believe that here's my political rant. We shouldn't have them, but that's up to you to select. And that's a cool thing that LinkedIn's installed for us. So that's your LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip.